Jolly, the one-stop shop for all essentials like snacks, beverages, grocery items, packaged food, cosmetics, stationery, fresh and organic fruits and vegetables, meat, household goods, toiletries, and many more. Leave your kids at the playpen while you shop for all your household needs, all at a reasonable rate. Hurry, visit Jolly Belly Supermarket for ready discounts and offers. Step into the store and leave happy. For details, contact Jolly Belly below Mikado Restaurant, Police Bazaar at 7005 668657 and 98630 60336. The Regional Committee on Border Dispute from Riboy District, that is headed by the Deputy Chief Minister of the state, Prestun Tinsong, and accompanied by MLA from Jirang Sostani Sotun, the MLA of Mauhati Dasakiat Lamare, and the MLA of Nongpok Constituency Meral Bons Aim, and also Minister from Assam Pijus Hazarika and other government officials of Assam had inspected the border villages of Patgao, Jimorigao, Baklapara and Linkhung. One of the representatives of Hima Nongspung's aimship, Moster Lin Lingdo, while speaking during the regional committee visit, informed that Linkhuk village still falls under the jurisdiction of Meghalaya, as all projects or constructions by the Assam government in the area have to get the NOC from Hima Nongspung.
Kadang-kadang jaga kadang jungi na do kisinam khandai spaar bater-ter hadu mentangi nak sensiar ben nak himanong spong jungi wakting chief lan neus em jong himanong spong tenamar kata-kata nga kwa bane thui pi ka asam ada kawan bansna ki project ki development hang nero ka jusiem ya ka NOC na ka hima jungi dengan kwa bansai ki bajba jungi hang ne ba ane ka jaga kadang jungi ada ka asam ro ka juwan bansna development kum hawas ne barjar khanwei MLA jong Assam wan siem ga NOC na em rang ba jungi ba pita raja Simyong bat kumjuro haus nam arjar khan reu ka Assam kamut bansnai kini surok pm ji swai hakini ki jaka ha ban siem NOC na khai ma jungi tegat na kata katau na skwa bani thu phi kini ki member hangne ki badam hangne ngi de ban sa ba po ka Meghalaya batro lada don ki breu jungi ki bakwa ban lein no sha Assam The
Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Prestun Tinsong, while speaking to reporters, informed that after the inspection, a report would be sent to the Chief Ministers of Assam and Meghalaya, and later a joint meeting would take place so as to come to a final decision on an amicable solution to the pending border dispute between the two states.
Chief Minister of Assam and Chief Minister of Meghalaya, we wanted to resolve the issue of boundary in few places, and today is the last day for us where we visited these differences where we already have. So now I'm telling you, from the regional committee, both of us, we will prepare a report based on the facts, based on the sentiment of the people. We will send the report within 30th of this month to our respective chief ministers. From Assam, Mr. Hazarika, he'll submit it to the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, and then for Meghalaya, we will submit it to the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, and thereafter there will be again a joint meeting between chief ministers, and they will take a call accordingly to this. We hope both the chief ministers will take a correct decision, the right one, which both sides will be benefited and also will be happy to all section of people and all the interests of the citizens of both the state, Meghalaya and Assam.